Hello everyone. Welcome back to the series on writing test cases in Java Spring Boot. So in the last video, we introduced the basic of testing. Today we are going to take a step back and we are going to explore how testing was done before modern framework like JUnit became popular. So we are going to use the older way. Back in the day, before existing of any testing framework like JUnit or other framework, developer used to write manual test cases. And same kind of test cases we are going to write in this video. So first of all, we need to create a class where we are going to call our service class. So currently I am using Eclipse framework and currently I don't have any code. I just created a simple project. If you don't know how to create, then just use file, new, and you can select other and just select Java project and you can give the project name. So we need to create one class. So just right click new class and I'm going to give the name as manual testing. Here we are going to call our service class also. And if you want, you can give the package name as a learn. Just select public static void main method. So no need to write manually. So you can see the class has been created. Now we are going to create our service class where we are going to create a simple addition function. So just right click new class and give the name as calculator service. Just click on finish. So this is our service class we are going to use in the manual testing class and we are going to write a simple test case. So we need to create one function. So what you can do, just use here public int add. So here we are going to pass two parameter. So just use here int a comma int b, and what will be happen, we are going to just add the two number. So just use here return a plus b. So this is the calculator service. Here we have function that name is here add. Currently we are going to pass two variable int a and int b, and inside that we are just going to add that both number and we are going to return the result. So in case if you pass 2 comma 3, that means 2 plus 3 equal to 5, it will return the result as 5. So just copy this one. So in back days when there was no framework, a developer used to write the manual test cases. So what they used to do, they used to write a main method and inside the main method, they used to call the business logic and they used to check manual output like what we are doing right now. So let's remove this one and try to import our class. Use a int result and use the object of calculator service dot add. So let's pass 4 10. So if you try to add 4 plus 10, what will be the output? Output will be 14. So let's check if result double equal to 14. That means we can say here test passed. In case if the result is not 14, then what we can do? Just use here test failed. So you can see we have created manual condition and in this condition we are checking the result is equal to 14 or not. So let's run. So you can see we are getting output as test passed. But in case if I change as 14 plus 10, the result will be 24. But at line number 8, I am not going to change the value as 24. So what will be happen? Let's run. So if you run, you can see we are getting result as test failed. So as you can see, we had to write the condition check manually and print the statement to verify if the logic was correct or wrong. This approach was manual, repetitive and prone to error. So what are the problem with manual testing? The biggest problem with this approach was it is too much time consuming, especially when you have multiple test cases to run. You could not automate it and there was no easy way to which test case pass or failed without manually inspecting the output. That's why testing framework like JUnit became so much popular. They automated the process, made it easy to run multiple test cases and provide the useful feedback when test failed. Here, if test case failed, we don't know what is the reason until you have to go and manually verify the code. So now we have seen like how developer used to write test cases manually before moving to JUnit. So in the next video, we are going to still follow the old approach of writing test cases, but we are going to create a test case and we are going to test without using framework like Mockito or JUnit.